Hi guys, I'm here today because I had a small problem with my Mi True Wireless Earphones too, and I didn't think too much of it until a special shout out to Nadeem who messaged me on Instagram. He happened to have the same problem. Apparently, while listening to the music or watching a movie, one of the earbuds dropped off and there was no audio playback. Now the earphone kept beeping whenever you'd insert it. It has that acknowledgement beep when you insert it into your ear, but there was no audio playback. Now, I can understand you guys have spent a lot of money on this, and it can get quite frustrating having a earphone that you spend so much on not work properly. So don't get too upset because the advantage of this situation is you do have a 6 month warranty on the product. As far as I know, Mi usually doesn't have issues with replacing products. But before you get to that stage, you can do a few small things to troubleshoot. Now, on the Mi case, you do have a little button here that is actually for pairing, right there. And if you were to open up the earphones and press and hold that same button, you just wait for the light to turn red. Yeah, and my earphones have been reset. So after putting these back into my ears, I didn't have the problem. I suggested the same fix for Nadeem, and he seems pretty happy. His earphones are working fine again. And chances are, if the two of us had this problem, then maybe you could also have faced this issue. And I hope this helps you sort your issue out with the earphones. So I hope this little bit of info has helped you out and gotten your earphones working if you had an issue. I'll leave the review to these products in the description, and I'll leave a card above. And of course, if you like what I'm doing on my channel, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.